Welcome to this quick guide on understanding Afrivestor brokerage fees and charges. So what you have to do is to log in into the Afrivestor app and tap portfolio at the bottom of the screen. So select trade or choose Nigerian equities or US stocks to view the market options. Before placing an order, look at the order preview screen. The app automatically calculates and itemizes every fee attached to your trade. For Nigerian stocks, note the total charge breakdown. This includes the broker's commission, the NSE, the NGX trade fees, CSCS clearing charges, SEC regulatory fees, and VAT. So the next thing is for US stocks, look for the standard transaction execution fee, which is flatly applied at 1.5% on each buy or sell order. Lastly, tap the info or help icon at the top right corner of the trade screen, or open settings and select fee schedule to view the full static rate sheet anytime. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave questions in the comments below. Goodbye.